But for now, we want to take a little look back at our first significant storm of the season from around the area, some sights and sounds.
It's a lot of snow.
From Revere to Attleboro. The first big storm of the season didn't leave anyone out. Driving wasn't easy on the Mass Pike. You had to take it slow, and sometimes that wasn't enough.
I've seen several spinouts today because, there's a lot of ice on the bottom layer of the roadway.
But if you took the time, you could manage it.
It's peaceful. There's not that much. My snowblower can handle it, and I'll be off to work in about 10 minutes.
Overall, people didn't really seem to mind this storm, like this man in Wellesley.
It's not that difficult. There's not that much. It's kind of nice to have it.
And this grandmother in Norwood.
Yeah, they love it. And it's a no school day.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No,
Her husband didn't agree.
I'm all set.
He did seem to be in the minority, though.
This is great. We all needed a snow day today. I think we just needed a break and a lot of fun.
And apparently,
How does it taste?
Good.
not a bad snack.
It's really fun and yummy.
Nutritious and delicious snowfall out there today. And really, if you're going to get snow, this is the way to do it. It's a Friday. Some people getting a 3-day weekend. No damage, no outages, no major wind, no major flooding.
Yeah, with the cold, it's not going anywhere for a while.
Oh, a little melting on Sunday, but we'll keep this blanket in most towns for a while.
Excellent. I think that woman said it best. We all needed a snow day.
Yeah.
And WBZ is going to have